Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing Zoom and signing in. This gives you full controls. Once installed, click the meeting link or enter the meeting ID and passcode. Make sure to use the preview to test camera framing and mic levels, adjust volume or headset if needed. If you join by browser, grant camera and mic permissions. Once you see yourself and hear audio feedback, click Join Now. These first steps ensure you enter with working video and clear sound, so the meeting runs smoothly. Once inside, learn the core controls so you can participate or host confidently. You can mute or unmute quickly, rename yourself for clarity, and use reactions for nonverbal feedback. Hosts can mute the group to reduce noise. For presenting, click Share Screen and choose a window or entire screen, then enable computer audio for video playback. Hosts manage participants, create breakout rooms, and launch polls to engage the group. Make sure to record if you need a transcript or recap later. To finish, click Leave Meeting or End Meeting for all. If you recorded, stop and confirm saving to cloud or local folder. Once done, download the chat and any shared files, then send a short follow-up with action items and links. If things go wrong, audio or video drops, relaunch the Zoom app, confirm camera/mic permissions, and switch networks or restart your router if needed. That troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly, so you can rejoin with minimal delay and keep the conversation on track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.